you're tracking finances with QuickBooks. But managing customers with HubSpot, neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, whenever a new HubSpot contact is created, add them as a customer in QuickBooks. Or when a HubSpot deal is won, automatically generate the invoice in QuickBooks. Or even, every time QuickBooks creates a new customer, sync their details to HubSpot. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between QuickBooks and HubSpot, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.